What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So for Shiba Inu coin, or token, right? I like to say coin because that's just the way a lot of people look at it. Shiba Inu coin, there's a lot of things that are kind of in the works that are, kind of in the background. We don't know exactly what will happen and when it will, when things will release, when Shibarium will release and everything. But we're seeing the crypto market kind of pull back. And we've seen Shiba Inu pull back from a higher price down to some of these lower prices that we're seeing now, closer to the level that we were before, where we could, potentially drop or add another zero. But this right here, I believe, creates a buying opportunity for a lot of people, because you're going to be able to see massive growth up to the level that we believe it can get to without burning anything, right? Getting to another drop zero, getting to 0.0001, rather than, being at 0.000001. Obviously, you're seeing a pretty decent sized increase from there, right? Where you can see a 10x return, or 0.000009, I meant, not 1, because 1 would be a lot lower than where we are right now. But just getting to that added zero and getting to a point to where when you do drop the zero that we're hoping to drop, it will be a 10x return for you guys in whatever you are investing. So a lot of people are looking at this as like, is this the time to get into Shiba Inu coin because of all of the things that are looking to launch, and speculative dates on when we're going to see Shibarium launch, and the impact that Shibarium will have, and the impact that different businesses and utility will have on Shiba Inu itself. So let's get into this. Let's talk about Shiba Inu right now. Let's see how far it's back. Let's have this discussion. So guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about my links that are in the description for all of my other channels, for my Patreon, for my referral links. Definitely check those things out. It does help out the channel. Helps out growth and all of that stuff. But let's take a look at Shiba Inu right now. It's currently at 0.00001242, down 6% today. So a lot of things in the market are down. I would say the market total is down by 4%. So Shiba Inu is down more than the market average or the overall market. So it's definitely taking a hit right now, and probably because it is a very popular position. Now, this is all coming because of inflation that's supposed to, inflation data that's supposed to come out. And people that are wondering what that is going to be, if it's going to be positive or negative. And I talked about that in my previous video. If you want to go and check that video out, or if you already have, thank you for watching. But you saw this at a low in the last 24 hours of 1189. That's close to the level to where you can basically have a 9x, 10x return if you are seeing it get to another drop zero, or a drop zero here, up to 3 zeros and a 1. Which is where we all wanted to go, which would be a 55 billion dollar market cap at that level. Now, obviously, in order to get up to that level, we would need to see bullish momentum. So it does depend on what's happening with inflation data, nevertheless. But it's giving you maybe a good buy opportunity right now at some of these levels. I'll give you another reason why. So with the speculative date of Shibarium to be released on the 14th, which I don't think is going to be the case, right? You have inflation data that's coming out. It's Valentine's Day. I don't see any type of advertisements. That could be something that obviously pushes Shiba Inu up. So you're seeing a lower price before you see that crazy increase to that price when Shibarium does launch. Now, if it's some sort of information that we get, some sort of massive information on what the burn rate's going to be, what the base fee is going to be, all of that stuff, then maybe we'll see it push even more. So we have a lot of information that could be coming out with Shibarium that could push this further. And what you're seeing is a way lower price of 0.00001241. So we obviously saw this at a way higher price just recently. If we look over the last month, we're going to see the highest price of 1562. So breaking that 15 mark and seeing the lowest price of that added zero of 0.000087. So if you can get down to that level, you could see an even better price to go into this. So is this the time to buy it? It's tricky, right? If you believe that Shibarium is going to launch, or some news is going to launch, and you're going to see a larger impact, and CPI data is going to come back positive, then yes, it can be the time to buy this, and you can make that move and probably make a lot of money in the short term. But if you're not seeing any type of announcements, if you're going to think that CPI data is not going to come back positive, this may not be the absolute best time to buy. It may be a time where you get your feet wet a little bit, right? If you're just getting into Shiba Inu and you're seeing it at a price here, understand that I have it at an average of 0.00002. So it is below my cost basis. And I'm still holding strong, still believe in this position well above where my cost basis actually is at a 5x return at minimum. But what you can look at it as is an opportunity to maybe get your feet wet and say, okay, this is a good price to buy. I'll buy some. I have $1,000. I'll spend $200 on this and then wait for it to go lower. If it doesn't go lower, then I have, $200 in it and I'll let that live. Right? You don't have to go all in after that. You can let that live. You can let that breathe and make your money from here to where it's going to go. So it all depends on your guys' decision. Is it the time to buy? For me, I already have all the coins that I wanna hold. I did burn off a lot of coins, which I don't know, may have been a mistake to burn off so many coins. But I feel like if you're losing something, in the end, you end up winning something. Especially if we all do it as a community. And I've talked about this for Terra Luna Classic as well. So anyways, right now with volume, we're at about $460 million worth of volume, up about 11%, but obviously you're seeing the overall price down by 6%. So this may be a good time to make a move. It seems like a lot of things in cryptocurrency are starting to not come back, but look less negative than what they did in the past, right? I did see this positive. The first time I clicked into this when I was reviewing the overall market, everything was positive, and now clicking back into it, it seems like in the last hour, things are now turning a little bit negative, but it's not as down as it was before. It's just down. It's still down, which does hurt a lot of people. But anyways, guys, let me know what you think about Shiba Inu. Is it the time to buy right now? How much do you hold? If I had to give you an understanding of how much I hold, I now officially have burned more than what I'm holding. I've burned over 300 million and I'm holding 258 million. So I've burned more than I'm holding. And I'm happy to say that because I know that when you give up something as a community, you're going to be able to gain something in the future. So let's just hope that crypto market doesn't see more negativity, because I'm done this last year. I'm done with all the negativity. I want to see nothing but positivity. I want to see some gains, because we've already seen a year plus with everything falling. So let's get away from that and let's get back to where we want to be, which is in the green. So guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about the links that are in the description. It does help out the channel. But I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next one.